Wi-Fi connection, and SD card format. First of all, please make sure your D600Pro-cam is connected to power and it is powered on. Search GKU Go in iOS App Store or Google Play Store, then install it, or scan the QR code to download. Turn on GKU Go app, agree with the policies, and authorize permissions. Select Agree. Add your D600Pro-cam to GKU Go app following instructions. Then app will jump into the Wi-Fi setting interface, then join the Wi-Fi of D600 camera. Default password is 123456778. Congratulations for the SD card, which is inserted into D600 Pro for the first time. D600 Pro-cam will request you format the SD card via the app. Congratulations, format successful.
GKU-cam